and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft Locomotive tutorial. Today we're going to be building the Florida East Coast GP40-2. So let's get right into the build here. So as usual, the first step is to take a dark oak stair for the rear coupler, and we'll attach that up. Underneath it, a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then on bottom, on the next block in front of it, we're going to put 5 polished blackstone stairs coming across the rails. On the next layer up, a polished blackstone block in the center and 2 upside down stairs on either side of it. Then we'll swing around in front of this here, and in the center, a 3 block tall T-shape of polished blackstone blocks here. Then we're going to hang a lantern on either side of this second layer. In front of this, we're going to do a 5x3 of polished blackstone block coming out to each side. Then we're going to put 3 polished blackstone stairs upside down on this top middle back here. In this gap, we're going to put 3 smooth quartz slabs coming up for stairs. And then same thing on this side here. Then we'll swing around in front of this, skip 1 block forward down on the rails, get a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then we're going to put 5 upside down polished deep slate stairs coming across facing this way. Skip forward a block and another 5 facing this way. I had to make sure they were 5 wide here. Then we'll skip forward a block again and get another set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then turn around in this gap, 5 polished deep slate stairs upside down this way, and same thing in this gap here. So we should have this M shape of stairs on the side here. Then we're going to open dark oak fence gates into the ends of the wheels here, and into the ends of the wheels at this end here. Then on this second layer up, we're going to fill the top middle 3 with polished blackstone block down the length of the truck. We're going to come out 2 blocks past where the fence gates are, and then put 3 across the bottom. Coming off the bottom, we're going to do a row of upside down, outward facing, polished blackstone stairs, 9 blocks long in total. Then 3 polished blackstone across this end, and same thing on this side, 9 upside down, outward facing, polished blackstone stairs. Then continue filling the top middle 3 with polished blackstone block, and we'll stop at the end of the fuel tank for now. Now skip 1 block forward from this, down on the rails, and we'll get a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. In front of that, 5 upside down polished deep slate stairs facing this way. Skip a block forward and another 5 facing this way. Skip a block forward again and a netherite wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then turn around, 5 deep slate tile stairs upside down facing this way here. 5 in this gap here. So we have that same M shape on the side. Open dark oak fence gates into the ends of the wheels here, and into the ends of the wheels at this end. Then continue filling the top middle 3 with polished blackstone, and we'll stop above where these fence gates are. In front of this, we're going to do a 5x3 of polished blackstone block coming out to each side. And in front of that, a T-shape of polished blackstone in the center. Then hang a lantern on either side of the second layer. In front of that on bottom, 3 polished blackstone stairs, and an upside down stair facing outward on either side. Above that, a block in the middle, 2 upside down stairs on either side of the block. Then 3 upside down stairs across the top middle, 3 smooth quartz slabs coming up this side for stairs, and 3 coming up this side here. Take out a dark oak stair, turn around, stack it up to the middle second block for the coupler. Under it, a sideways dark oak fence gate, and open a dark oak fence gate on either side of the coupler here. Now we're going to come in on the side of the truck. Everywhere there's a wheel, we're going to put a hopper on the side of each wheel. Same thing back here. Then do the other side. Hoppers in front of these wheels, and hoppers in front of these wheels. Then we're going to come back through with polished deep slate slabs, and we're going to put 2 on the top of each end of the truck. Same thing here and here. Then do the other side. And one more corner to go. Same thing here. Now we're going to come on the front of the fuel tank here. At the front, put a crimson button on each side. Then behind it, a sideways crimson sign. Then we're going to come to the back of the fuel tank, right behind it here, stack 2 strings. Same thing on this side, stack 2 strings. Then above the string, put an anvil, and bring sideways anvils forward for an air tank until you're right behind that sign. Same thing on this side here, a full row of sideways anvils coming out over that string. Then on this side, we're going to put a bell right here in front of the fuel tank. Then we're going to take a chain, put a chain in this gap here and here. One here. One here and here. And one here and here. Now we'll come up on this third layer and we're going to fill the whole top middle 3 end to end with polished black stone block. Bring it right all the way down to the other end here. Once that's done, we'll take out smooth quartz slab, and on this top outside edge, we'll do a full row end to end of smooth quartz slabs. And then we'll do the same thing on the opposite side on the top here, a full row end to end of smooth quartz slabs. Now we're going to come on top of the front on the third block back in the center. We're going to put 2 blue concrete and a pink on top. Then same thing here and on this side here. On that far side we'll do 2 blue and a pink. On this side a blue concrete on bottom, then a door. Then we're going to take out blue shulker boxes, start in front of the door and come back by 5 blocks. Same thing on this side, start right here, come back by 5. Then above it, on the back 4 blocks, we need 4 blue concrete. Same thing on this side, 4 blue concrete on the back 4 blocks. Then above that, 4 pink concrete on each side. Then above that, we're going to put a blue concrete in each of the 4 corners, 2 black stained glass panes on the side gaps. On the front, a black glass on either side, blue concrete in the center. Above that, we're going to do this T shape of pink concrete in the middle. And behind that up here, a 3x3 of blue concrete. Then above the windows, we're going to put 4 outward facing purple stairs on either side of the cab here. Then we'll come behind it. On this side here, we're going to do 2 blue concrete. Then a door. Then on this side, blue concrete up to the top and across to the other side. Then we're going to make a 3x4 of blue concrete on either side behind it. Then we're going to put 3 polished basalt on top of each side with the pattern going vertical and a 3x3 of dark prismarine slabs above it. Behind it on each side, we'll do 2 columns of 5 blue concrete. And in this top center, we'll put a smoker, then blue concrete, then surround the smoker with warp trap doors. And actually I screwed up here, we need to knock out this row and change it to pink concrete. Same thing on this side, knock out this row here and change that to pink concrete. Now we'll come down and start working from the rear end. So we're going to come on the middle of the back on the third block in. 2 blue concrete, pink, 2 blue. Then same thing here and here. Then we'll swing around in front of it here, and on each side we'll do 2 layers of blue concrete coming all the way forward till it connects up. Same thing on this side, 2 layers of blue concrete. Then above that, we'll do a layer of pink concrete down each side all the way to the back. Then we'll come in this back middle, put 2 cobble deep slate in here, and extend cobble deep slate another 6 blocks forward up the middle, 2 layers tall. On the sides of it, we'll fill it all in with a 6x2 of iron bars. Same thing on this side here. Then we can fill the rest of this 2 high and across the top with blue concrete until it's all filled in here. Then we're going to take dark prismarine slabs and do our fans. We'll put it on this back cobble deep slate, make a plus shape, then a second connected one, and a third. Now we'll come on top of the back on this side, open warp fence gates for a horn. Then we're going to come on the top of the cab up here, and we're actually going to take out blue wool. And we need to change this center pink block to blue wool. Then open back to back crimson fence gates up here for the front horn. In the middle behind this, we're going to put 2 polished diorite slabs. And we're going to fill the rest of this top everywhere we haven't built something with blue carpet. Come back here, fill all this with blue carpet. And in between all these fans here. And on these back 2 blocks. Then take white stained glass pane, put 1 on the side here for a mirror, 1 on this side. Then we have to do our blower, so come back over to this side, 1 block behind the cab on bottom, and we're going to take out blue stained glass panes. We're going to put 2 rows of 3, then 3 pink, then 3 blue. Now come up on the front here. We need to crouch, get a blue carpet on this shulker box, come around this corner with blue carpet. Then a T-shape on the front porch, around this corner, crouch, and put 1 on this shulker box. Come over here behind the cab. We're going to make this reverse L shape of blue concrete for stairs, blue carpet on top of them. Then run blue carpet all the way down this walkway. Come around this corner. Over here we knock out this block, put in blue wool, T-shape of blue carpet on the back, then run blue carpet all the way up the walkway on this side of the locomotive here. Then 1 in front of this blower. Now take out crimson fence, right here, come up by 4. Then back 1, up 1, back 2. Right here, come up 3, over 1, and a 2x2 up here. Here, come up 3, over 1, and a 2x2 up here. Here, come up 4, then back 1, up 1, back 2. Then we'll come down to the rear end. Here, come up 4. Here, come up 3, over 1, 2x2 up here. Then here, come up 3, over 1, 2x2 up here. Then here, come up 4. Then attach it up at the top right here and come all the way forward up this walkway. Right up to the cab here. Then we'll do the other side. So attach up right here, start coming forward. When we get right here, we'll come up 1, over 1, up 1, and over 2. Then we'll come up front with glow item frames, and we're going to put 1 on either side of these fences with glowstone in it. Then on the top middle, we'll put a glow item frame with glowstone, and on either side of it, we're going to do a birch sign with our locomotive number 436. Then hit both of those signs with black dye and a glow ink sac. Then we'll come down to the back. Down here, a glow item frame on either side with glowstone. Then on the middle, above the pink, a glow item frame with glowstone. Then on the top of either side, we're going to do a birch sign with 436. Hit both of those signs with black dye, glow ink sac. Then run a ladder up the left-hand side. Then we're going to come on the side in front of this blower in the pink stripe, and we're going to put a row of polished blackstone buttons until it's right before the iron bars. And that represents the lettering, since there's no way we'll ever fit it. We're going to do the same thing on this side here. And then we need to come and make a banner here. So we're going to come into a loom with a blue banner and white dye. We're going to put a vertical on the left and right, and a horizontal on the top and bottom. Then switch to blue dye and put a blue border around it. This is for the little logo on the front of the train. So we'll come up to the nose, and we need to grab a regular item frame. We're going to put this on the top center blue block here, and then put that banner on it. Now we'll come back into a loom with a blue banner, black dye. We're going to make the top half black. Then switch to blue dye, put a blue border around it. Then switch to pink dye, make the bottom half pink. Then we're going to do another blue banner with pink dye. We're going to make the top half pink. Then we're going to switch to magenta dye. We're going to put a horizontal in the middle, vertical on the left, vertical on the right, horizontal on top. Then we're going to come out. This one with the black is for the windows, so we'll put one here, one on the back of the cab here, and one on the back of the cab here. Then we're going to take our other banner, aligned with the center fan here in the pink stripe, put one here, and one on this side aligned with that center fan here. Now come on the side of the cab, put a warp sign here with 436, hit it with pink dye and a glow ink sac. We'll do the same thing on this side, so a warp sign, 436, hit it with pink dye and a glow ink sac. Then we're going to crouch and put 2 crimson signs on these shulker boxes down here. And then same thing over here, 2 crimson signs on these 2 shulker boxes here. Next we'll do the interior, so come on in through this nose door with smooth stone slabs. We're going to put a row of slabs at the same height of the door, right up the center here. Then 2 high in the back. Then stack your slabs up to the window here and on this side. On these sides, stack the slabs up 2 blocks tall. Same thing on this side, 2 blocks tall. Then back here, double slab, then a single slab in front of it. In the back middle, a blast furnace and a glowstone, a stair on each side for seats. Up here, a glow item frame with a compass, and a lever on the right hand side. Then we'll come down here, turn around, put a door right here, then put an end portal in this nose. Then we're going to come out and stand on top of the nose, and we're going to take out a crimson trapdoor and pink carpet. We're going to put 2 crimson trapdoors across this middle, crouch, pink carpet on top of it and above the door, and finish off the nose with pink carpet here. Next, we're going to take out oak trapdoors and come on top of the back here. And we're going to put an oak trapdoor in the centers of these 3 fans. Then switch to a dark oak fence gate, come down in here, and on either side of this coupler, we open a dark oak fence gate. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our FEC GP40-2. I hope you enjoyed the build here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.